Hi everyone, it's Lynnea for Scrapping for Less, and the theme for September is all about fall. So I'm going to be using a couple of products here to create a fall floral card. So the stamp set that is the focal point here is the Pinkfresh Studio Fancy Bloom stamp set. And I love floral stamps because you can color them to be any kind of occasion that you want, or any season rather. So if you do like pinks and yellows, you could get a nice spring color. You could do reds for winter time if you wanted. And today I'm going to be using orange and yellow to create a fall colored bouquet. So I'm not very good at coloring, but I did leave in a bit of all of my coloring here. So for the yellows, I'm using R08, YR09, and YR07. And the method of coloring is the same for all of my images here. I start with the dark, blend to a medium, and then a light, and then I go back in with the dark. So for my yellows here, I'm using YR04, Y17, and Y15. And I am using a flicking motion. I find that helps my colors blend, and I really like that it looks realistic for flowers. For my greenery and the leaves and such, I wanted to use more of a teal green, so I'm using BG78 and BG75, and I find that I lean more towards these dark teal greens for fall and winter florals because they just look more hardy to me, I suppose. They look like that deeper tone for the cooler months. So for the browns, I'm using E79 and E74, and again, just going in with my darkest color, and then I'll blend it out with my lighter, and then go back in with my dark. And once I am all done coloring that image, I will go ahead and cut it out with my scissors, just leaving a white border around the image. For my pattern papers, I'm using Lawn Fawn Fall Nitpicky 6x6 pattern paper, and I have the blue teal color, and that's going to be my background. I picked that to match my greenery, and then I have the brown to be a backdrop for my focal point, and I picked the brown to match the brown in the greenery there. And I guess I should say more that I picked my Copics to match the pattern papers. I kind of had an idea in my head before I started this card. I adhered all those background pieces with liquid glue, and then the florals I popped up with foam squares. I stamped a sentiment from the Sunny Studio Beautiful Autumn stamp set. I trimmed that out, and that again is on a piece of that Lawn Fawn Fall Nitpicky pattern paper. I'll add a little bit of glitter to all the flowers and the greens and everything in that image, and that will complete my card. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!